I have a Ford Explorer here, but it kind of looks like an animal hit because there's no real scratches or anything.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work.
Alright, I have a Ford Explorer here. I don't know if something came up on this one going down the road or something fell on it, but it has some damage to the roof. Right here mainly. Not too bad. But then it also gets a hood repair all in this area. I don't know for sure, but it kind of looks like an animal hit because there's no real scratches or anything. It looks like an animal might have bounced across the top of the car. I'm gonna go ahead and repair the roof, and then I'll take the hood down to our aluminum shop and get it fixed up as well. So I'm gonna start off. I was trying to push this out, but I couldn't really get behind it. So I'm gonna put a glue tab on here, see if I could get that low point up. So those glue tabs just aren't gonna cut it. Not enough pulling force to get this deep point. So I'm gonna get the dent puller out and pull this little spot out. I have this aluminum hood here now. I tried to work some of these dents out from the backside with my PDR rods, but they were too sharp, not really getting them well, so I'm going to use a couple studs to pull these dents out the rest of the way. Mainly right here and right here.